Hello everyone, this is Rishabh Voja from IIBT Campus Sydney. Nowadays I'm working on a master project in that we are creating an application for a little Indian grocery store. So to complete this application, we are going from part to part, or that can be a sprint or sprint to sprint. So in the sprint one, what we did, we have created a login page and the registration page by which a new customer can enter the registration page and he will get his username as password. And then we have created a list of categories, what can be what are the things a customer can buy, and add items in the application by the manager or admin. That we have created another thing that customer or the admin or manager can add the items in the application. Creation of list of items. So a list of items will be followed by the admin or manager when they will receive an order. So now in the second sprint, what we did. So in the second sprint, we are working on the search option, or you can say it's almost done. So search option to find exact product what the customer really looking for, and he just gonna get search option, write the product name, and he will get this result. And the second thing, creation of the cart, where customer can keep selecting the things from different categories, and all the things will be going in the cart option, and then he can open and check the things, the quantity. He can increase or decrease the quantity in the cart list, and then he can go for the payment. And then suggestion of alternatives. When a customer is not getting the exact product that he's really looking for, we have created an option that he will get the alternative of that thing. Like if he's looking for a particular salt, like it's a Tata company salt, but he's not getting that one, so we have given him alternatives. We have given other suggestion that he can buy these products, these are similar to that product or high quality or this and that, so he can go with that as well. And next is online gateways, where the payment has been done, where the payment will be done, I mean to say. So on the online gateways, MasterCard and PayPal will be the major, and they can also use your Visa or any other cards as well. And the other thing which we have created is order notification to the store. When they will be order, there will be a notification pop up in the store and in their application, which is used by the store. And update stock levels. So next thing which we have created is updation of the stock levels, and when the stock is about to finish, or when they have to add a new stock, so they can keep updating the stock. And ready to pick up notification. When the order is ready to pick up, this notification will be pop up on the customer screen. So these are the things which we have done in the sprint 2. So now it's about me, what I did in the past sprint. In this past sprint, I worked mainly on the documentation. Me and my other friend Abhishek and other two guys are working on the software. So in this documentation part, we started the project introduction or sprint introduction to the whole part, product backlog, and the sprint backlogs, like how we can divide the sprint or user stories in particular sprint. And then we have created some flowcharts to describe the high priorities user stories, how a customer can choose the cart and stuff, which I already explained the sprint 2. So we have created some flowcharts related to that. Next is what I learned in the past sprint. There were many things to learn. I learned how to update the products, like how this process really works, that how a customer or how a admin or manager can update the products. We have also seen the designs nowadays. We helped my software guys, like what design can be suitable, what is looking more better. We searched online and we gave them some designs as well. Nowadays we are working on the documentation as well, so in that we are also focusing on some related articles. And what could have been gone better? I think most of the things are going really well, even unexpectedly well, because with the help of our client, supervisor, and the lecturer and the tutor, it's really helpful to all of us. And I think everything is going good. But in this sprint, we just got 2 weeks because of this circumstances which are going on right now. So the thing which could be gone better is the time. If we could get a little bit more time, maybe we could make it more better. But we are trying our level best. So hopefully it will be done at time and will be nicely done. Thank you very much.